Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Say It Right, where we make English pronunciation simple and fun. I'm Alice.
And I'm Jake. It's great to have you here again.
Jake, hello. Good to see you.
Good to see you too, Alice. And hello to all our amazing listeners tuning in from around the world.
Before we start, we have a small request. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our daily pronunciation lessons.
All right, Alice, what's the word of the day?
Today, we're teaching you how to correctly pronounce one of the world's most famous car brands, Porsche.
Yep, and most people say it wrong. Let's fix it together.
All right, let's break it down slowly in the British accent. The correct pronunciation is Porsche. Let's practice together, nice and slow. Porsche-uh. Porsche-uh. Now let's say the full word smoothly. Porsche. Lovely. Brilliant. You've just mastered the British pronunciation.
Now let's do it in the American accent. In American English, it's also pronounced Porsche. Yeah, same pronunciation, just a slightly different flow. Let's practice slowly. Porsche-uh. Porsche-uh. And now the full word, Porsche. Great job. You've learned it in both accents.
Awesome work today. One more luxury brand name you'll never mispronounce again.
If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button so you never miss our next pronunciation lesson.
Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next video.
Take care, everyone.